Few years back, there was a chef friend who bought this beautiful dessert from his village from Kumaoni. And this dessert is called Singori. The beauty of this dessert was the simplicity wrapped in mallu leaf. Well, we are making Singori today, but this will be wrapped in a Paan leaf. So let's get started. To make Singori, we will first add ghee in this pan, which is going to be around half a cup. In half a cup of ghee, we are going to add 1 full cup of grated coconut. After stirring it for some time, I'm adding 1 cup of jaggery. You can also add sugar or sugar-free or even palm jaggery. It's time to add 200 grams of fresh mawa. Add around 20 grams of cardamom powder. It's time to mix everything. You remember those halwas and kheers our moms used to make for us on those special occasions? Well, this is exactly like that. It's like a warm hug coming all the way from your grandmother. So that simple dessert, but the intensity is full of love. So do give it a try. Keep stirring this till the time you see ghee coming on the edges. Wow, this smells heavenly. Now, since our filling is ready, we are going to take the Paan leaf and we are going to remove the stem. Come closer, I'll show you how to make the cone. So we are going to take from here and we are going to fold. The locals there use any local stem to fix this or even close, but I am going to make it easy for you. So I'm going to use a toothpick. It's like stitching a cloth. In our school, I'm sure we have done this activity before. Now that we have prepared our filling and it's at the room temperature, we are going to fill these cones. Now we'll press the edges and we are going to stuff it nicely. We have taken almonds and pistachios and we are just going to put it like this. And look at it, how beautiful it is. Well, the good part here is that even the leaf is edible, so you can relish this Singori ki mithai sitting at your home just in say about 30 minutes. Do let us know in comments how you find this recipe. You are watching Indian Food Diaries on Get Curried. This is Chef Sherie signing off for now.